Practice problem number 20. For 14 patients, stress level and hours of exercise yield R is equal to negative 0.62. Test at alpha equal to 0.05 if the relationship is significant. So we're given R is equal to negative 0.62, N is equal to 14, alpha is equal to 0.05. Required, is the relationship significant? Solution, computing for our t. T is equal to negative 0.62, a square root of 14, over square root of 1 minus 0.62 squared is equal to negative 2.7374. Our DF is 12 and our two-tailed P is approximately 0.01802. So the final answer, our P value, which is approximately equal to 0.01802, is less than 0.05. Reject HO. There is a significant negative correlation. MCQ for our quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 14, drawing conclusions from hypothesis testing, t-test, z-test, and person R correlation. Number 1. A study tested whether the mean exam score of a class differs from the national average of 75. Which test should be used if the population standard deviation is unknown and sample size is small? A. 1 sample z-test, 1 sample t-test, C. 2 sample z-test, D. Person R correlation. Number 2. In hypothesis testing, the statement, there is no difference between the population means, represents which hypothesis? A. Significant A. Alternative hypothesis. B. Research hypothesis. C. Null hypothesis. D. Directional hypothesis. Number 3. A company claims the mean lifespan of its batteries is 500 hours. A sample of 36 batteries gives a mean of 495 hours and sigma equal to 12 hours. Which test is appropriate? A. 2 test sample t-test. B. 1 sample z-test. C. 1 sample t-test. D. Person R test. Number 4. If a 1 sample t-test yields a p-value of 0.03 at alpha equal to 0.05, what conclusion should be made? A. Fail to reject HO. B. Reject HO. C. Accept HO. D. no conclusion can be drawn. Number 5. Which condition requires using the two-sample t-test instead of the two-sample z-test? A. Large sample size and known sigma. B. Small sample size and an unknown sigma. C. Large sample size and unknown sigma. D. Sample size irrelevant. Number 6. When the null hypothesis is rejected, what does it imply? A. There is enough evidence to support the alternative hypothesis. B. The null hypothesis is true. C. The test is invalid. Letter D. The difference is due to chance. Number 7. A hospital claims the average patient waiting time is 30 minutes. A sample of 25 patients shows a mean of 28 minutes. S is equal to 5. What is the correct test? Letter A. One sample z-test. B. One sample t-test. C. Two sample t-test. D. Correlation test. Number 8. In a two-tailed test with alpha equal to 0.01, the researcher obtains P is equal to 0.005. What conclusions should be drawn? A. Fail to reject HO. B. Reject HO. C. Accept HO. D. Reduce alpha. Number 9. If two groups of students taught by different methods are compared to see if their means differ significantly, which test should be used? A. One sample t-test. B. Two sample t-test. C. One sample z-test. D. Correlation test. Number 10. A z-test is typically used when population standard deviation is unknown. B. Sample size is small. C. Population standard deviation is known. D. Both population and sample data are skewed. Number 11. The person-R correlation coefficient measures A. The mean difference between groups. Letter B. The strength and direction of linear relationship between variables. Letter C. The variance of population means. Letter D. The probability of type 1 error. Number 12. If R is equal to 0.9 and P is less than 0.01, what conclusion is correct? Letter A. There is a strong and significant positive relationship. Letter B. There is no significant relationship. Letter C. The relationship is weak but significant. Letter D. The correlation is not interpretable. Number 13. Which of the following is a correct decision rule for hypothesis testing? Letter A. If p-value is greater than alpha, reject HO. Letter B. If p-value is less than alpha, reject HO. Letter C. If p-value is less than alpha, fail to reject HO. Letter D. If p-value is greater than alpha, accept HO. Number 14. A study test whether exercise time is related to body mass index. Which test should be applied? A. 1 sample Z test. B. 2 sample T test. C. Person R correlation. D. 1 simple T test. Number 15. In hypothesis testing, type 1 error occurs when A. The null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. Letter B. The null hypothesis is not rejected when it is false. Letter C. The alternative hypothesis is accepted when it is true. Letter D. A correlation is reported when there is none. Number 16. Which test is appropriate for comparing the mean of paired data, such as before and after measurements? Letter A. Independent 2 sample t-test. B. Paired t-test. C. 1 sample z-test. D. Person R t-test. Number 17. If the computed t statistic lies in the non-critical region, what is the conclusion? Letter A. Reject HO. B. Fail to reject HO. C. Accept HO. D. Test is inconclusive. Number 18. A correlation coefficient of R is equal to negative 0.75 indicates A. Strong positive relationship. B. A weak negative relationship. C. A strong negative relationship. D. No relationship. Number 19. Which of the following is true about the person R test? Letter A. It determines differences in group means. Letter B. It tests the strength of association between two categorical variables. Letter C. It evaluates linear relationships between two quantitative variables. Letter D. It estimates population variance. We will have the next part of this lesson, Quarter 4, Data and Probability, Lesson Roman numeral number 14.